Busy? Let's go.
Hey guys!
Assalamualaikum and welcome back to my channel. My name is Lara Bamjad and I upload makeup related videos here on YouTube, and right now I am having a very beautiful guest here on my channel. This is my little sister. This is my little baby sister Ishal, and she is going to create this beautiful look on my face. And आप देख सकते हैं, her expertise is like on a different level. I mean, she is so good at what she has just done. You're welcome. So if you want to see how she did this look on my face, then you need to watch the video till the end. And before starting the video, I would just like to tell you all, I would just request you all to consider subscribing to my channel and like, share and comment my video.
Yeah, don't forget that.
Yeah, please just don't forget that. So yeah guys, now without further ado,
Let's enjoy the video.
yeah. Okay, Ishal, so आप सबसे पहले क्या use करोगे?
Foundation.
Okay. You'll have to show it to the camera कि आप कौन सी foundation use कर रहे हैं, and you'll have to tell everything.
I'm going to use this foundation.
You can sit and tell.
I'm going to use this foundation.
Okay.
Use the sponge.
हाँ.
Half.
हाथ मेरा?
ऐसे.
Okay, that is a lot. 4 pumps, you guys. You don't need that much of foundation, but I'm not telling.
And don't forget to blend it well.
Yes, guys, please don't forget that. Okay, so the foundation is well blended now. और अब हम क्या करने वाले हैं शान?
अब मैं concealer लगाऊँ.
आप बैठ के भी बता सकते हैं. You don't have to get up every time. This is the Miss Rose का concealer, but इसकी lid गुम हो गई है, मेरे से ये टूट गया था. So yeah, this is Miss Rose का concealer.
मुझे पता नहीं था इसलिए मैंने बताया.
Yeah, I know, obviously उसके ऊपर नाम ही नहीं लिखा हुआ. So और हम बहुत थोड़ा थोड़ा लगाएंगे, है ना इशाद?
जी, क्योंकि ऑलरेडी बहुत वाइट हो गई है. मैंने फाउंडेशन थोड़ा सा तो ले ली थी.
And I told her this off camera कि बहुत ज़्यादा गोरा कर दिया तुमने मुझे.
Sorry.
आप कोई मेकअप के बारे में कोई टेक्निक्स या कोई चीज़ शेयर करना चाहते हैं हमारे व्यूअर्स के साथ जो देख रहे हैं आपको?
I don't know anything
You don't know any techniques? Then how come you're doing my makeup?
because I just watch your videos. That's it.
Oh, you watch my videos? I love you.
I will subscribe it for my life. Bye.
That's right. Now, what's next?
Lipstick. That's from MAC.
Okay. That is a deep red orange color.
I'm going to put some brown on it to mix it up, make it like blue.
Okay.
Then sorry.
Okay, what next?
I was going to use some of this color. It's from MAC 2. This color.
This brown color too.
Blend.
Okay, this is actually a nice lip combo, except for this, you know. except what you did here. But this is a good lip color. Tell the next step.
So now we're gonna use this eyeshadow.
You know you cannot.
Eyeshadow.
See, you are not coming in the camera.
It's this eyeshadow.
You will have to see कि आप frame में कहाँ पर आ रहे हैं या नहीं. Okay.
I need that eyeshadow brush.
Okay. We have the brush on right hand. Okay. Let's just take out the brush. This one. Okay.
It's just eyeshadow brush.
Yeah. But you are not supposed to ask anything.
Oh,
You are not.
I'm gonna use this and this color. I'm gonna mix them up. I'm gonna use this and this color.
Okay. Let's go. Now it's done. Okay, you see, I mean, this is a pretty nice look, a very nude, light eye look to go with the nude lipstick, as she likes to call it. I'm liking it. I'm liking your makeup skills.
Thank you.
For this eye only?
No, it's not. Still not done. No, it's not.
It's done. Now it's finally it's done. She's satisfied.
Now you're gonna use this highlighter to put in the inner corners.
Okay. You know, you will have to read the names and everything. जिन चीजों पे नाम लिखे हुए हैं उनके तो पढ़ के बता सकते
Its
हैं.
name is 7 Cool Glow and Light palette.
Yeah. Because अगर कोई नहीं पढ़ सकता तो अगर आपने कम देर के लिए दिखाया और कोई नहीं पढ़ सका तो you'll have to tell it.
Can you open it?
Yeah, yes. I can. Okay, बताओ कौन सा shade use करें?
I'm gonna use this shade.
Okay. The white one.
Yes. Because it's the white.
We are putting it in the inner corners.
Yes.
What is it called?
What?
इसको क्या बोलते हैं? ये करने को क्या बोलते हैं?
Blend.
नहीं. इस स्टेप को क्या कहते हैं? इनर कॉर्नर को क्या करना?
Highlight.
Yeah.
You're gonna highlight the inner corners.
Yeah. You just did highlight the inner corners pretty well though. Okay. Okay guys, the inner corners are pretty lit now. What is the next step?
Next, we're gonna use this blusher. It doesn't have a logo, I can't read it.
It's from Sweet Touch.
Okay,
It's
yeah,
Tea
that's
London. You want me to smile or what? It's okay then smile.
Don't smile.
Now हम क्या करने वाले हैं?
Now I'm going to use I'm gonna use the eyebrow tattoo now.
Okay.
This.
Okay. हो गया.
I'm gonna use. Okay. I'm gonna use. It's not just a look. I'm gonna use this color.
Where did the
Where's
brush?
the eyebrow brush?
Okay, you just dropped the eyebrow brush.
Yes, it is. I will blend. I will just mix some with this, and I'll just mix all these colors. Then I'm gonna make a beautiful color. Then I'm gonna apply it on my eyes.
Okay. You done with the brows?
Yes.
Okay, what is the next step now?
I forgot to put on the face powder.
Oh, okay, you can do it now. Okay. किधर चली जाती हो?
बस बस.
Okay. किधर गायब हो जाती हो? Okay, you will have to show also. Okay. Oh my god, I show.
It's so white. It's so white.
Oh my god.
That's all in my nose.
Bas Vishal, you are wasting a lot of product.
I need to blend it well. Snow White, my princess.
Yeah, I do look like one. Are you done?
Yes.
Are you
I
done
have
with
to
the
blend.
powder?
I have to blend.
Okay, I want to show everyone the powder situation right now. This is how the powder looks, and it's all on my clothes as well. So yeah, thank you so much for wasting a lot of powder.
This like
We're
we're
gonna
gonna
put a
use.
little pressure and it opens. Okay.
I'm gonna use this color. This color.
Very lightly because it's expensive. Where are you contouring exactly? Tell people your technique.
I'm just gonna take some powder and this brush, and I'm going to do like this.
You know, which video techniques do you follow? And after
This is my own technique.
okay. And after this, I really think that I should make a video on contouring as well. Okay, are we done with the contouring?
I'm not satisfied. Yes, we are done, but I'm not satisfied of your lipstick.
Okay, you want
I'm just going to use this gloss. This lip gloss.
okay, you wanna add some gloss?
Yes.
Okay.
So it could be some a little bit glossy.
You need to tell the name also.
It is
It is from
Note.
Note Cosmetics. Yeah, it's
Yeah.
from Note Cosmetics. And we are just
It smells nice. It just smells like chocolate.
it does actually. It's a very nice gloss. It is in the shade 26 Pure Glow. Yeah, and it's a very nice gloss. Okay.
I'm gonna use this eyeliner gel.
Gel eyeliner.
Gel eyeliner. It's from Kathleen Cosmetics.
Yes. And show the brush that you're using.
I'm using this brush because I lost the eyeliner brush.
This is an eyeliner brush. This is an angled one.
Okay.
Yes.
Stay still, please.
I think we need to zoom in. Okay.
I'm doing a wing eyeliner.
Yeah, we are doing the wing eyeliner that we can see, and it's a very good wing though. Then you need to lock this makeup in so that it stays for a very long time.
I don't know how to put it.
Good. You need to be a little away from the face. Yeah.
I don't know how to put it.
I think it's everywhere now. Thank you.
I'm
It was
sorry.
from Rivaj now, and I'm practically blind. Can't see anything.
My makeup is just smudged.
Yeah, here, come here. Yeah guys, I hope you like this video. I hope you like my little sister doing this look on me, and
Don't forget to subscribe and like.
yeah,
Right,
that's right. Don't forget to subscribe, like, share, comment, everything. So yeah guys, I'll see you in my next video. Till then, take care of yourselves.
Bye bye.